Today I have this real cool light to show you. Now this is a smart light ceiling light. What is different about the ceiling light? Well, this is the light and I'll show you. Right in the side or underneath the light, you can change colors. So now you can bring a party to any room or just change colors any way you want it. It's smart. I show this right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab, and what a great light. Now, simple to use. The only thing you need is download either Tuya or it's Smart Life. It's a free app either for your Android devices or iOS devices. Simple to install. It's a ceiling light, and the nice thing is, yes, you can bring party to any room because now you can change colors, you can change the brightness, and all kind of things you can do with this real cool light. I'm going to show you that right now. All right, so if you go look the box, yes, Alexa, Google, Smart Light, that's the app. You can just do your own any other light. You can set it to Alexa's RGB, Wi-Fi 2.4. Yes, you can control the music or activate the microphone right from your phone, and then if you play music, this will change colors as well too. Right, making something. So let's go and let's take a look at the light. All right, so let me show you the light now. So one of the things you get, I took out of the box so we go a little faster. Come with the screw and everything else, so no trip to the hardware store. Full instructions. I think every language: German, English, Spanish, and a bunch of other languages, Italian. The only thing you need to do, iOS devices or Android, is scan it here. Simple. Or download Smart Light. That's the only thing you need to do. I'll show you the rest. You don't need to go over this at all. Now this is the light. Cool design. But check this out. When we turn it over, we see now another ring, and this is the second light. Now this is going to be flat on the wall, right? So you have about half an inch. I would say 99%, or I'll say maybe 90% of the ceilings are white, so that will reflect the light right below because the space is half an inch here, right? So how are we going to install this up? Very simple. You get this ring. This goes in the game box, right? So you're going to install this way in the ceiling. And then you're going to put the wires here. You say neutral, white. Your line, hot wire is your black wire. You see the two arrows here? So in reality, if you pay attention here, you see the connection right there and another connection right over there. Line, hot. So imagine this. It's up in the ceiling. We're looking down, we see the letter N and L. So the idea is, if the N is here, when you close, it's going to do the connection there. So that's up in the ceiling. When you will rotate the this. Not this, because this is stick there. So you go this way, that's the connection. I'm going to plug power. And now, to reset the light from the beginning, if you need to reset the light from 0, so erase the information on it, you're going to unplug it or go by the switch and turn it off and on 5 times every second or so. So you go 1 on, off, on, off, on, like this. What's going to happen is this: the light is going to start blinking. When the light is blinking, it means it's ready to be paired. Right, your phone. I'm going to bring another screen so make it easy for you guys to see. So now get to you, click plus, and automatically detect it. Take me a second. Go and hit the light. 2.4, my password. Next. And we have to wait until that fills up. It takes about maybe 15 seconds. So it's set in the light. This will start blinking. I keep it this way so it's not a lot of light pointing to the camera. You see that stop blinking now? Next. At this point, call it whatever you want, right? Party light. I don't know, whatever you're going to put this up, ceiling light. Now, remember this works well, listen Google. And we got it. 2 settings. The other side is setting and the ring setting. So here we can change the intensity of the light. So I'm going to bring this all the way down. If you see a light, you to put 1%. And remember, you can control this right where you are. I mean, the app onto Google or Alexa. We can bring this 100%. Super bright light. Let's bring it down. One of the things you can do, you can go cold or warm light. So 6500 Kelvin all the way to like 3200 Kelvin. Here we go. You see it there, maybe at 5000, and we can go all the way to a nice warm light. You're looking at about 3000 Kelvins. So you can set this any way you want it. You can preset it if you want right there, or you can just go to set that as well too. But I want that off, and let's turn that one on. That's a cool thing. So now maybe you want just this light only right now at night. You can change any position you want, any color you want. You can change now to whatever you want, 14, 16, 15%. I think that's an awesome thing. You can preset the colors here, so you can have any color you want. And this one too, both if you want. That's what looks awesome. Matching that right in the ceiling. There's different settings. So you have nice setting, reading, work, fun. So fun, well, see, this is fun. And you have birthday, see, the stop, let me see, birthday, change colors. So you can do all these things with this, right? Also has the music mode. So the music mode will happen. And actually, let's say now you play music through your system, and then this will turn on the microphone, and then when my voice goes to listen people the music, change the light if you want that, right? That's something extra. And another thing you can do here, right, timer, schedule, and the behavior of the light. So behavior of the light is how when you turn it on, how you want it, what is the initial setup, because you went through this stage. So you can control this smart or analog way with your finger, right? So you turn the light on, what is the behavior of that? Every time when it comes on, my behavior is, okay, I want blue light and my light at 50%, 3200 Kelvin. So every time you turn on, always that's the reset mode. Or you can reset or customize it to initial mode. You can change it up. Now remember, you can schedule whatever you want through the schedule here. You can set in a schedule like, okay, I want this to come on at night. I want this to automatically turn on 5 in the morning for my clock. You can schedule this any way you want and you can imagine. That's the nice thing. You can turn it off and turn it on as many times you want through the schedule. How long it take it to put it right in the ceiling? Take the old light out, put that little disc, 2 screws, rewire that to the light, click it, turn it on, and that's it. That's the only thing you need to do. What I will do now, guys, to buy one of these right now, because I think it's an awesome light, use the link below, and I'll see you next time.